Hello, and welcome to another video from Achiever's Desk. In this video, we are going to check the functioning of Order Tracker Copper Edition. It can be used to track various types of orders, sales, payment, and progress in a Google Sheet. We have copied the order tracker. Let it load fully, and then we will change the name to Farm Order Tracker since we are going to use similar example. Get a feel of the dashboard. We will come back to the functionality of dashboard, but first check out other sheets, example order sheet. In order sheet, we can see some pre-filled orders. Each row represents an ordered item, so it has order ID, date, item code, the quantity of the order, payment detail, status, assignee, and other related details. The colored columns are auto-generated, whereas the white cells are supposed to be filled. Next, move to Item Sheet. This sheet lists all the items with related data in different columns. These items are the base of the orders. We have the code, name, cost per unit, and unit defined. Next, let's move to Configuration Sheet. It has only two columns, status and assignee. Status has all the different statuses in which an order can be. Assignee has all the persons whom the orders is assigned to. These are directly referenced in Order Sheet in the drop-down of Status and Assigned to Column. To see it in action, let's add a new status called Proposed. The new status will automatically reflect in the order sheet. Just click on any status drop-down to verify that. Similarly, we will add a new assignee called Danielle. And just like status, the new assignee will be auto-populated in Assigned to Column. We can add, edit, or remove multiple statuses and assignees. On the dashboard, also, we can verify the new status, and assignees are available in the filter section. So we can customize dashboard with added details seamlessly. Now we will add a new order to check the functionality of the dashboard. This new order will be in proposed status and will be assigned to Danielle. We will add a unique order entry. Provide the order date. Let us say the order is for 20 dozens brown eggs, so we will put the item code of egg brown, put quantity as 20. The cost and sales price will thus be auto-calculated. For this order, let us say we have taken $20 advance, so we will put it in advance payment. Pending payment auto-calculates for the rest of the amount. Let us put rest of the details of the order. As mentioned earlier, this order will be in proposed status and will be assigned to Danielle. The order is added. Let us quickly move to check out the dashboard and its filter-based functionalities. First, we will clear the previously applied filter of status and assignee. Now, let us check out the range filter. You can see there are various predefined range like this month, this year, last month, etc. Moving to any range updated the dashboard accordingly to that range. We picked this month, and donut chart shows for this month how much amount we have received and how much is pending from this month order. Also, how many orders and particular items were ordered in this month. Below section lists all the orders in range for further analysis. Let us check out the last month orders dashboard. You can see from last month we do not have any pending amount to collect. Similarly, when we choose last 30 days, the charts and details auto-updates for that period. Now we will apply the status filter and only choose Proposed Status. The dashboard will update to show the details around proposed status. We had $20 advance and $60 pending for order of 20 dozen egg brown. Same is updated in charts and list. As we choose more status, charts gets updated in real time. It's a handy and great way to track all your orders, payments, etc. based on time frame, statuses, and assignees. Let us check another awesome feature of updating the chart. It is configured by status, but we can choose to convert the chart based on items or assignee to. Here we chose items, and now for each items we can see the bar graph shows the order and amount details. Now updating the chart by assignee will show which person is handling how many orders and amounts. Last thing we will check is how to apply custom date range for the dashboard. First, we will choose date range from range filter. This will enable the start and end date. Then we can choose the particular date, and as we choose, the dashboard will be updated for that particular range. We can apply other filters accordingly. This concludes the feature demonstration of the Order Tracker Copper Edition. We saw how we can prepare the base with configuration and item. Then we can utilize it to maintain orders by adding or updating it. And then we saw the powerful dashboard features with enough filters ability to track the order details. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you and bye.